Brickfront Properties, Investments, and Construction, LLC proudly brings you recently renovated, beautiful and well-maintained, spacious updated 1-bedroom and 1-bath condo with an open floor plan and many amenities. Updated kitchen cabinets, floors and bathroom. Lots of natural sunlight and beautiful view from the balcony. Combo washer dryer and unit. Move-in ready. Great location. Minutes from I-495, Washington, D.C. and public transportation. 1 mile to Fort Totten Metro Station. Bus service to train station. Shopping and much more. It doesn't get too much easier than this. Come do some minor cosmetics and put this right back on the market for a quick flip. In the alternative, this would make a great buy and hold. Near PG Mall and right outside of Washington, D.C. Asking $76,000. ARV $100,000, $110,000 plus. Repairs win $1,000 or less. Profit $25,000 plus. Call today for details 202-678-1000.